Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just type here background apps and click on it, and now turn off the first option here, turn it off, and after that type here task manager, and now click on it, and once you're here just turn off all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. As you see, it takes your memory, and that's it. If you want to close it, click on it and click end task. Now just close all those windows and then restart your PC, and you can try before restarting your PC, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your PC and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC type here Minecraft, and now right click on Minecraft launcher and go to app settings, and here just click repair, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.